situation in Edo State has taken a new dimension with the impeachment of Deputy Governor Philip Shuaibu and the emergence of Mobile Godwins as new Deputy Governor. The State House of Assembly in its impeachment process adopted report of the 7-man investigative panel set up by the State Chief Judge Justice Daniel Okungbowa to probe allegations of misconduct against Mr. Shuaibu. The Assembly of 20 members voted 18 against 1, with the Speaker expected to give the deciding vote in case of a tie.
I'm voting of more than two-thirds majority of this is assembly by head council, not just voting, and endorsements of the impeachment document the second time. I hereby on arrests pronounced by the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu is hereby impeached.
The House representative who presented first, and unfortunately the respondent absented himself and did not put up anything on the other side of the divide. Consequently, the panel came up with a report, and that report was to the extent that of the 2 allegations that were levied against the respondent, the one bordering on perjury was not proved.